So today is the 10th of March and I'm coming to the second exercise, which is the E sound and the E sound. So let's start with sentences with the long E sounds. Have a seat, Pete. Sweet green peas. Let's meet in the street. Don't rest your feet on the seat. It seems like she screams in her dreams. Pauline likes to eat on the 3-piece suite. Seek and ye shall find. Have you ever seen a sail in the sea? He is very discreet when he eats. We've just been to the Crete. It's in Greece. He's still enough food for a meal. Sentences with a short E sound. His igloo is big. Philip bits his lip. This is his Big Mac. Nick's favorite film is Kill Bill. The little boy spilled his milk. Will you ask for the bill? Hilda and Pippa live in King's Lynn. Mrs. Harris lives in Paris. The big pig is digging in the pit. The little pig is nibbling Jim's finger. Lift the lid a little bit more. If you tickle Mr. Hickson, he'll wriggle and giggle. So now this is sentences with both mixed sounds E and E. Let's see if I can do this. Breathing deeply. He lives in Teesside. Edith, don't lean out of the window. Denise, put the steel tin in the green bin. Steve, please go and see if it's Liz at the door. What a steep hill, thought William McDill. This meat is not safe to eat. If we do eat it, we'll be sick. In 1588, when Elizabeth was queen, King Philip II's Spanish fleet were defeated by the English. Okay, let's see how it sounds today.